Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus on Apple TV. Quick fix step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Apple TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store. In the App Store, search for Disney Plus. Once you find the Disney Plus app, select it to open the download page. Click on the Get button to download and install the app on your Apple TV. After the app is installed, return to the main menu of your Apple TV. Locate the Disney Plus app and select it to open. When the app loads, you will see the login screen. If you already have a Disney Plus account, enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to sign up. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Once logged in, you may receive an activation code. Take note of this activation code. On a separate device, like a computer or smartphone, open a web browser. Visit the Disney Plus activation website. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Click on the Continue or Activate button. You should see a confirmation message on your Apple TV. Once confirmed, you can start browsing and watching content on Disney Plus. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Disney Plus through Apple TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.